Because I'm not for everyone. I have a freaking huge mouth and big opinions. You're never in between. Either you're gonna hate me or you're gonna love me. Today we are at the design district. We have a long day ahead of us. All right, so it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're getting ready for our content day. We have a full day today. I'm not a morning person, but we gotta go do this thing. Look at him, look at him. Well, like, why would you be doing that? People are gonna think you're trying to break in. They don't know your company did the glass. We are actually gonna be traveling to Dallas. This is the first year that I'm actually gonna travel train. I get asked like on a weekly basis, oh, come to New York, come to Dallas, come here, come there. And honestly, I wasn't really a big fan of that because I like to have control of like the atmosphere and everything when I do my trainings. But I have a friend, Soham, Lash Launch, shout out to him. You need clients, hire him. He has a lot of connections with different salons, so he was like, listen, I can get you the salon. You just show up, do the training. We're gonna ship the kits ahead of time, so the first stop is Dallas. We are gonna be there in January. I was originally gonna do it in December, but guess what? I'm gonna be traveling a lot. I'm gonna pull a Soham. I'm gonna be in my vacation era in December. So we're gonna do it probably the second week of January. The dates in January are still up in the air, but basically that's what we're gonna do. I'm super excited to bring my techniques, my influence, everything that I bring with me to those trainings. It's gonna be chef's kiss. And of course, Dallas, I'm gonna leave my mark in Dallas. That's what we're gonna do. This is what we're doing. Actually, oh yeah. Come back like this, because entrepreneurs are resourceful.
Ain't no game off in this thing. We be deep off in your party. Come on, get it started. And we be the hardest. So if a come and run they matches like a punch them dead up in his nose. They stomp this out to the floor.
Yeah, we knocking and bucking and ready.
You even got the nails matching the wash, bro.
Yeah, so what happened was I got my nails done, and I usually don't get colors. But I was like, you know what, let me do something cute. Anyways, what happened was that I needed help with my printer, and I tell Jose, I'm like, hey, I need help, whatever. And he was like, babe, I can't, I gotta run somewhere. I'm like, I'll figure it out, fine. I hang up, and he shows up with the Rolex. I was like, oh, after I gave him an attitude. I was like, my bad. And he was like, uh-huh. I was like, oh, my bad. It's not every day your husband comes home with a Rolex. Like, how was I supposed to be expecting it? I was on the list for 2 years. His Rolex, he waited like a year and a half to get it. So I have a sign that says normalize having an opinion, because you know I like to ruffle feathers. And then I have one that says we're coming to Dallas. And then Jose has his, because he wanted a protest today. Well, I was like, I don't care. Why you late? Look, Asia, from right here will be perfect for me to stand there with the sign. He's down for the cause. Every no leads to a yes. Every no leads to a yes.
Gotta let me know right now. Are you trying to ride? Are you trying to ride? Are you trying to ride with me?
I'm not for everyone. I have a freaking huge mouth and big opinions. You're never in between. Either you're gonna hate me or you're gonna love me.
My wife, she took me captive. I'm over here as her hostage, and she's making me do things I don't want to do, like stand in the sun and carry her bag and hold her phone and watch her record content. There she goes back there. You see her looking all lovely and stuff? And she misbehaves so much. I gotta tell you about this woman. Her name's Rosa Santos, and she misbehaves so much. I just want to let you know that she is definitely on the naughty list today. I think she might be on the naughty list eternity. Hey, good morning. And all I know is she continues to have me doing things I don't want to do. She deprives me of ice cream and my snacks. She's over there looking at me because she knows I'm probably talking smack about her, but it's okay. And we got a lot of things that are gonna happen today. I'm promising you that I'm going to cut up and it's gonna be great. Just FYI, I'm letting you know in advance that today will be a day like none other. Bye.
Give me my glasses and stop complaining.
Bye.
Bye. Not you making a vlog. Where's my glasses?
Yo.
We're gonna get some coffee or something because it's hot. It's hot as balls. All right, I'll try it. I'm gonna try it because all my friends are bullying me into the whole matcha thing. So the one thing that I was doing that was keeping me from scaling was doing everything myself. Some of the mistakes that I made as a CEO is I outsourced things too late. So a lot of people talk about, oh, be realistic. You gotta basically come back down to earth.
Vayamos sotto la luna.